LanaMor here. I'm back with another video. In this week's video, obviously, a lot about this week's video. As you guys know, I'm doing Vlogmas, so this is Vlogmas Day. Watch right. So, Day 4, yes. So we're gonna be doing a little bit something that I've done before, probably on my channel, but not so quite. I'm gonna be doing a cooking video. Your girl can cook. Been cooking since I was in my mother's womb. Shouts out to mama. And don't come for me in the comments because you know it's true. So yeah, we're gonna be making some fried fish. We're gonna have a semi-healthy fat meal. Okay? So we're gonna fry fish, some salad, that's the healthy part of it obviously. And then some french fries because I was watching a YouTuber's video. Shouts out to Chandler Alexis and she had some fries, so I wanted some. So, without further ado, I'm letting the grease get hot, so I'm just going to right now do all the prep stuff, and I guess I can show you guys how I prep my little fish. Alright you guys, so I already prepped the fish. We're having fried tilapia, and yeah, so the seasoning that we use is this fish fry by Zatarain's. It's like the New Orleans brand. Yes, and it's already seasoned, so I don't have to add any extra seasonings. So please, if you're using this, don't add extra seasonings, because you'll have a salt attack, and you don't want that. This is seasoned really well. I always use this brand, so trust me, don't add extra seasoning if it's already seasoned. Now we have our amateur cooks out there who just don't know what they're doing. And like I said, I've been cooking since I was in the womb, so I know what I'm doing. So yeah, we're just gonna put our fish in there. Can you see the fish? My sister's like my film crew right now. So we're gonna put it in there and we're gonna toss it around like so, and just coat the fish basically. And I'm gonna do that to all the pieces. So that's why I'm not gonna show you each piece individually. That's why I'm just gonna show you this one piece because it's the same process for all of them. So no need to show you all of it. I'm not Food Network. Okay, so the magic of YouTube. That's what it's supposed to look like. And we're just going to set that off to the side. So I'm going to finish the rest of these off camera. And then I'm going to show you once I put them in the grease that we have over there getting hot. So yeah, I will talk to you in a bit. Alright y'all, here is the fish coated in the seasoning. And then we have the grease over here getting hot still. And then I'm going to be frying it in some EVOO, some extra virgin olive oil. So yeah, that's it. So here's the fish, and I will show you guys the finished product. Final food. I ended up eating my salad already, so I got hungry while I was waiting on the fries. I did the timing bad. I thought the fries were going to be done right away, but they weren't. So here's my fries, and here's the fish, and it's so fried beautifully. So I'm about to enjoy this, and I will see you in day 5. Toodles!